I know you're gonna dig this.
There we go! Hey guys, welcome back to Drill Racing, and today we're unboxing our new Holley Sniper 2. This is probably one of the biggest upgrades we've done for the car. Probably besides like cam and heads, but this is going to be, I think, pretty significant for us because about these, carbs, more like a race carb. Streeting it for us did not go well. We ran super rich. There's no choke on it, so we had to hold on. We couldn't drive it for probably close to 5 minutes if it was stone cold. So just absolutely annoying to just get in it and drive, like the street car that it is now, completing 6 summer. So here we have the Holley Sniper 2, and it came in a really big box. I guess anything else you want to add before we get going in here?
We could get the carb to do what we want eventually, but we put a lot of time in, and the fact is we've got no exhaust in this car.
Oh yeah.
So driving it in and out of the neighborhood, every time we drilled the air bleeds and changed the jets, we have to make a lot of racket for the neighbors. Mm-hmm. And how many days we put into it?
Hours
and hours.
To either run good driving and way too lean full throttle, or good full throttle and way too rich driving down the road.
And we've been all over jets, air bleeds, using the AFR gauge. So
and we I would even say we found a happy medium in there, because it still wasn't. We ran good full throttle. We were great, and I think we just accepted the fact we were going to run between 11 and 12.0 park throttle for 600
But
miles.
even over the whole RPM range,
yeah,
the AFR changed too much.
Oh yeah.
And
third at 35 miles an hour, he'd be golden for AFR.
the other thing, our AFR is digital, and you tried to video it, and so our data collection was terrible.
It's
Yeah, so this will do data collection.
So yeah, that is going to be huge. Getting data collection so we can actually see what's going on. So yeah, I guess it was like Christmas. We'll start with one box. Feels like Christmas. Fancy stuff. Fittings.
Excellent.
These are some really nice fittings. More fittings. I mean, these are the kind we wanted.
Yes, yeah.
More fittings.
We'll dig into it. I want to do all push lock myself, so
Yeah.
we'll see if that's what we have.
Not sure what this is. It's a hose and a bunch of clamps, I guess.
Hose clamps, so yeah, I'm not going to use a hose clamp on the car, so we'll dig into that.
Oh, fuel pressure regulator.
Yep, need a return fuel line.
Cool. Looks like a fuel filter.
Yep.
Imagine.
Probably going to use the one we have. We got a stainless.
Yeah. More.
We've done a lot of work to this fuel system, so some of this we're going to use over.
So they give us a lot of fittings, so that's fantastic. Because I thought I heard with the Sniper ones, they gave you like 3 fittings. Like there was not a whole lot, so it's like there's a whole bunch of different things here. Hopefully we can utilize them all. What we got in here?
Fuel pump?
Fuel pump? Oh, I didn't realize we got a new fuel pump with it.
Well, right. It's going to run, what, 57, 58, something like that?
Yeah, I think I heard something like that.
Way more than we need.
Bunch of hose, green shield, 225 psi, 3/8 fuel injection hose.
Okay.
And oh, is that for the?
There's going to be a pre-filter and a post-filter, so we'll use
That's cool. I didn't
It's going to be a
realize-
combination of parts on it and
Right,
new parts.
We got I guess the package with like the Fuel Plus or whatever they called it,
Yeah.
with all the extra
Right.
fueling. Because if someone already had something similar, you wouldn't need all this. But knowing what we were going to be getting into, we just went with getting it so we didn't have to search out every individual piece that we possibly need.
I mean, we could use, we'll probably use the irreversible clamps instead of the hose clamps.
Right. Alright. Second big box. I think this is where the main stuff is. Better give us a sticker and all this.
Lucky for me, Performance Auto Body is not very far, and they carry in stock everything we need for a fuel system.
Wiring, dash mount, and our 5-inch. Try not to booger it up. 5-inch screen. That was
Nice.
also an upgrade we went with over the 3.5, and it looks like it already comes with a micro SD.
Excellent.
So it's one less thing we have to worry about. And I think there's a way we can data log with this, but well, obviously because there's a chip there. I think on the screen there's a button for data logging, or I think you can also replay the run on screen. Said I'm not expert in this. This is stuff I've kind of heard about, but if you record data log, take that out, put it in your computer, I forget what software it is, and then you can see everything you want to see, and hopefully that can make us a bit smarter how the car is actually running, what it wants to do.
Right, we can get the AFR consistent across the RPM band, and then we can find out where we really need to be. Where's
Right,
the make power?
and-
We want 13.2
Right.
or do we want 12.5?
Right, and it's nice about this is it is self-learning. So you pretty much, depending on what you want to do, tell it what you want for the most part, and it'll get there. And then if you want to tweak it, you can tweak it, and it should run great. Ah, ECU.
Or is that the power block?
Oh, well, maybe. Oh.
That is the
Nice.
power distribution.
Look at that. Huh.
That's our big terminal block. It's optional, but I figure that'll make the install
You know-
cleaner. It'll make it a lot cleaner.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll probably replace that one we got.
I don't care how long this takes. The wiring's got to be spot on.
Oh, yeah.
The fuel system has to be spot on and NHRA legal. So I got to double check that hose is legal, et cetera, et cetera. And
So,
every
yeah,
clamp
looks
we
like-
use.
Looks like installation instructions.
Throw those away. We don't need that.
Yeah, we know all about this stuff. A bunch of wires. Who knows where those will go. We got some THHN we can throw in.
Oh, house wiring.
Plug and play stuff. Guess we're gonna have to look through. We're really gonna have to look through instructions on a serious note. And
There's some really good videos I've already watched, so I got a pretty good idea.
Right.
We'll watch them
so
again.
where
by
things
Holley.
plug in. AFR, I'm sure plugs in somewhere in here. Tax signal, I'm sure is something in this. I mean, it's got to read RPM.
Right.
So I'm sure within all of this is that.
The nice thing is we can use our AFR on one header, and there's a bung that's plugged on the other side.
Yes.
So we can have dual,
Yeah.
so we can have independent
Yeah.
to see if it tracks. And if it gets to the point where we trust it, we can move that to the truck.
Right. Oh, yeah, this right here.
That looks familiar.
AFR gauge. or I guess the O2 sensor itself. Miscellaneous small pieces. That's fun.
They've got a clamp-on bung. Ours are welded in when they built the headers.
Okay.
So what's nice, Ricky, that power distribution module has a place for all those wires to just
Right. So
tie right on.
Clean things up a lot. So yeah, the car's gonna be so much cleaner when we're done. There, I think, is the main package. Oh, instructions.
Gaskets, instructions.
Warranty card. All right. Few things out of the way. Tell you what, this thing is a lot lighter than that card too. Probably saved a few pounds just from that. Wow.
Nice, look at that.
And this is equivalent to 850 CFM.
Something like that, yeah. Got some vacuum ports on that for brakes and distributor and all that stuff we don't use.
Yeah, so our throttle.
We'll have to spend some time getting
Yeah,
our
we're
kick
gonna have to figure out
down.
how we want. Yeah, the kick down.
If we get our full manual valve body, then we won't need that.
Right, but I mean it's all there. I mean, there's not a whole lot to look at, but yeah. Also, all your ports you can put stuff on, dude. This is so much lighter than that carb. Like you could, if you're trying to set this down, like on the intake, it just. I feel like with the Demon, it's all day muscle event to set it down on there. So it's a little bit of weight savings, honestly. So overall, I think I'm really happy. Seems like everything's there. Everything's packaged really well. Full detailed instructions that we're gonna follow. I think Holley probably has the videos on how to install this.
They did, and I've watched the videos already and how to tune. Looks like really well done. It doesn't look like it's going to give us too much trouble.
Right. So, yeah, hopefully we can get cracking on this pretty soon because we got to get it down the track with the new torque converter that we got
Right.
sooner rather than later because our plan is to head to Sick Week down to Florida in February or January-ish, whenever that is. And this car's got to be running and driving, ready to go, in the middle of winter out here because we can't test drive it in December. So we got a lot of work to do. Super happy with all this.
It's August 1 and we're talking about winter, but it will fly that fast.
Oh, yeah. October 15th, done,
Right.
So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like if you're excited to see all this. Subscribe if you want to see how much we improve the car with this. And we'll see you in the next one.